Yeah, that's it. Service is running. Verify Jenkins service status. Okay, active and running, right? Now let's access Jenkins through browser. Select Jenkins and take public IP and paste here :8080. Yeah, this is how we access Jenkins and open, get this password. Sorry, cat Jenkins. So we don't need any plugins, guys. We don't need any plugins today. Also, we'll install plugins whatever we need. Either you can select this one or directly just close it. You can see. Just close this one and start using Jenkins. So even if you don't set up any user also, you can see by default, one user will be created. Name admin by default. You can see to log in, use the username as admin. What about password that we have to set up? I'll show you here. Start using Jenkins. See here, this is the username. Now, how to set up? Do you know this user's password? No, we don't. Right? We did not set up. So we can set up. What you do here, select that drop down and go to configure. Here, if you scroll down, you can see this is password. Okay, so link to just select entire password and give your password, whatever you want. I'm giving admin. Confirm that password. Admin. That's it. Apply and save. Over. So now onwards, if you want to access Jenkins here, look that IP address :8080. Now you have to enter that username, admin, and password, whatever that password that you have set up. Sign in. That is so. So anyways, that is fine. That's up to you. Fine. We have logged into our Jenkins. Now, as I said, yeah, we'll be dealing with Maven. We'll be dealing with Maven. Before that, we need to give these tools address in Jenkins. Let's give Java's address in Jenkins in global tool configurations. Now here, go to manage Jenkins. Here you can see add JD. That is up to you. I'll give, okay, Java underscore home. I'm giving Java underscore home. Here we have to give Java's address. So how to get that? Simple. Echo $Java underscore home. Then see, you can see this is Java executable, that address. That's it. Okay. Apply and save. Over. So coming to plugins that we need here. We are going to use some plugins here. Let me give the list of those plugins so that we can install all of them in one. Plugins. The first one that we need, the plugin. Second plugin that we need, Maven. Full name is Maven Integration. Integration. Then third plugin, that is Maven Invoker. Fourth one is publish over SSH. Okay, publish over SSH. So in today's project, we'll be needing all these plugins. So we are going to use all these plugins. Okay, GitHub, Maven integration, Maven invoker, publish your research. I'll tell you the purpose of all these plugins. First, let's download all these plugins. First one, like that. Okay, GitHub, then Maven integration. So this actual Maven plugin. Okay, this helps us to connect Maven with Jenkins. Then Maven invoker. This plugin will help you in running test cases. See here, this plugin, so this is something related to tests. So you have changed the name, but yeah, the purpose is to deal with test results. Okay. Yeah, Maven invoke. Then the fourth one is publish your SSH. Publish your SSH. Send build artifact. Artifact means what? End product, WAR files to other machines over SSH. We can send WAR files to other machines after successful build. So that's what publish your SSH. GitHub, Maven integration, Maven invoker, publish your SSH. Okay, that's it. Install without restart. All these plugins will be installed. Okay. So here we have installed all these plugins successfully, right? Yeah. Now go back to top page. Plugins are ready. Now, yeah, let's set up Git path as well. Okay, actually, even though if you don't set up, still fine. But if you want, you can set up. So we are going to give Git tools address in Jenkins in global tool configurations. So manage Jenkins, global tool configurations, Git, yeah, Git, it is already taking its path, right? Yeah, let's give any name. Whatever name, that's a just a display name. I'm giving GitHub, whatever name you want, you can do. So here, come into executable. Already seed is taking, but still, if you want, you can mention it. How to do that? Type here which Git. This is the address of Git. See here, USR bin Git. Now paste that path here. USR bin Git. That's it. apply and save. Let's verify whether everything is correct or not. Oh, now we have to deal with Maven. See, we have installed, first 3 tools, and we have set up Java's path in bash underscore profile. And we have given these 2 tools address in Jenkins. Now let's deal with Maven. We are going to download Maven. We are going to extract it. We are going to set up its path, and we are going to give this tool address in Jenkins in global tool configuration. Okay. So let's do it now. Download Maven. So go to official website. Maven download. Scroll down, you'll find. See, we need Maven for Linux, right? You can take binary tar.gz, tar.gz. Means this one. Copy this link. Now, yeah, you can download anywhere, but generally, Maven we keep under OPT. Okay, so here wget paste, and that's it. Now do ls. See, we have downloaded successfully. We have to extract it. tar-xvzf. Okay. We have extracted. Now do ls. You can see. Now go inside this one. Okay, let's rename it. MV Apache Maven. This lengthy name, just it's not so user-friendly. I'm renaming it as Maven symbol. Now it sees, right? You can see Maven folder is. Yeah. So if you go inside Maven, you'll find all bin directory and everything which are required. Now let's set up its path, pwd. So this is the one, right? And inside this, you can see bin directory is there. Inside Maven folder, you can see bin directory. Okay. So you have to set up its path. So how to do that? vi tilde symbol means home directory. Inside dot bash underscore profile. Okay. Bash underscore profile. In that, so here, do underscore home equal to paste its path, opt Maven. Then in next, right, m2 equal to opt Maven bin directory path. Then here in next line, we have to give colon $. We have to add these to m2 and m2 underscore. Then colon $. Yeah, that's it. opt Maven, yeah. Now come out of it. This also we have seen in Maven class already. I've shown you, right, how to install Maven in Linux. Okay, in Jenkins class, right? But already we learned it. Now exit sudo su minus. Let's verify mvn space hyphen version. So Maven 3.9.2, that's the version. Now echo $m2. Okay, you can see bin directory path m2 underscore home. You should be able to see Maven directory is path, right? That's it. Maven setup is ready. Now, same Maven's address we have to give in Jenkins, right? In global tool configuration. Let's give Maven tools address. Means this is the address. You can see OPT Maven. This is the address of Maven in Jenkins. So global tool configurations. Even here, add Maven. Now here you can give any name that is up to you. Whatever name that you want, you can give. I'm giving M2_home. Now I don't want Jenkins should go with fresh installation of Maven. I want Jenkins should make use of existing Maven. So that's why you can give Maven's address. That is /opt/Maven. Okay. That's it. Over. Apply and save. Yeah. So we are done with these installations of these tools. All tools are ready. Same, I'll put all of them in same similar these boxes. Now, next step. So what I'll do, I'm going to create one job now. See, we are done with installations, right? Git, Java, Jenkins, all tools we have installed. Let me create one simple job to test whether everything is working fine or not. Okay. So I'm going to create one job here. I'm going to create one job. In that job, I'm going to mention two things. Pretty simple. Only two things in that job. Okay. So I'm going to give GitHub URL. So since we installed Git, it can happily see, since already we installed Git, it can pull source code from GitHub. Okay, so GitHub URL and Maven goal. Only two things. See, two things. I'm going to create one job. In that, I'm going to give GitHub URL and Maven goal. Okay. So since already we installed Git, happily it can pull source code from GitHub. And with the help of Maven, it will perform build action. Right? It will create warfare. So what it actually does, it is going to pull source code from GitHub. You can see. So when I run this job, it is going to pull source code from GitHub. And then it is going to create war file from that. I think it is a war file. Okay, simple guys. So I'm going to create one job. In that job, I'm going to give GitHub URL and Maven goal. So when you run that job, this job will pull source code from GitHub and it will create war file. Okay, so let's do it now. Dashboard. Now create job. New item. give any name. I'll give, it's a first job, right? Okay, I'll give my first job or any Maven. Yeah, my first Maven build. You can give whatever name that you want. You know, right? It's a Maven project. I'm going to select Maven project. Okay. Here you can give any description if you want. It's not mandatory, but if you want, you can give. I'll give first Maven build. My first Maven build. Only two things, guys, as I said. See, GitHub URL, right? Copy this, paste here. Okay. Then Maven goal, right? Where is Maven here? You can see already it shows these goals and options. So here we have to give Maven goal. You know, right? Already you are familiar with Maven goals, right? Clean install or clean package, or you can keep both also. That's up to you. No issues. Clean. So if you give bigger goal, previous goal, you need not to give. But if you are more that, you can use smaller goals as well. Either you can mention that yes, someone studied 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, or you can say someone studied 10th class. So if you mention 10th class, it's well understood that yes, already someone finished 8th, 9th, 10th. Or you can mention clearly that he finished 8th, 9th, 10th clearly. So that's up to you. Okay. So I'm giving clean install package, or you keep any one, either install or package, whatever you want, you can do. It's completely user friendly. That's it. That's okay. This one already, you know, right? If you want, you can select run only build is succeeds. So post build, that's up to you. Not at all. That already, you know, already we have seen in first one. Okay, now apply and save. Over. So what actually happens if I build? See here, build now. See the console output. First, it is going to pull source codes from GitHub. And you can see it is downloading all required dependencies and plugins from Maven central repository. But already we learned, right? It is running test cases. Did you observe here? See here. See, running test cases as well. Maven has the capability of running test cases as well. Now, finally, what is this? Warning plugin validation issues were issue file plugin. Okay, that's okay. This is not at all issue. Warnings you can ignore it. So what did he say? Building war file where lib Jenkins. See here. In Jenkins, copy this path. In Jenkins, see here, CD. Okay, if you do ls, you can see this is a big workspace folder. Right? If you go inside that workspace folder, if you do ls, you can see when child workspace folder got created with this job name, my first Maven build. That's a job name, right? See, my first Maven build. Inside that job, you can see web app target. You'll find war file. So CD, go inside that job. Inside web app target. Do ls, you can see web app.war. Just now we have created this war file. If you want to verify ls-l, see the time 3:11. I mean, it's taking EC2 Instances default in Asia Pacific time. What is the current time? See, when you type date, it shows current time. So 3:12. This is the current time. So just 1 minute back, 3:11. 1 minute back, the war file got created. Okay, so that is how we can create war file. So this war file is where? It is inside my job. That's what this is in Jenkins. Okay. Fine. So I hope you understood how to run a job, how to create a war file till here. Now Ansible will come into picture. So before we do that, we'll take a break, right? So we'll take a breakfast break. Time is 8:45, right? We'll have break till 9:15. Okay, 9:15. 30 minutes break. Breakfast break. Okay. So time is 8:45. Break till 9:15, 9:15. Okay, half an hour break. So we'll meet after the break. Okay. Guys, you are understanding, right? Please respond once.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. That's great. Okay. So thank you all. See you at 9:15. 15. Okay.